Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf ball divot. It's a simple act of golf etiquette that significantly helps maintain course quality for everyone. When you make a divot, the turf is torn from the ground, leaving a bare spot. Properly repairing it ensures the grass can recover quickly, usually within 24 to 48 hours. This small effort contributes to a much better playing surface for all golfers. Once you've located your divot, the next step is to carefully push the edges of the turf inwards. Imagine you are closing a small wound on the ground. Use your divot tool or a tee to gently work the grass from all sides towards the center. The goal is to bring the existing turf back together without tearing it more. This method helps the roots reconnect with the soil, promoting faster healing of the playing surface. Sometimes, the divot is completely removed, leaving no turf piece to push back. In these cases, the best approach is to use the sand and seed mixture provided on many courses. Fill the entire divot with this mixture until it is level with the surrounding ground. Do not overfill, as this can create an uneven surface. A light tap with your foot or the back of your club will help settle the mixture, encouraging new grass growth. Repairing divots is more than just good manners. It's crucial for course health. A properly repaired divot can heal in as little as 24 hours, allowing the grass to quickly re-establish itself. Conversely, an unrepaired divot can take up to 2 weeks, or even longer, to recover naturally. Your small effort ensures the course remains in excellent condition, providing a fair and enjoyable game for every golfer who follows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.